A pleasant morning and warm welcome to the wonderful audience. Invocation to Mother Tamil through Tamil Thai Valthu by the choir.
நீராடும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்த கெழிலொழுகும் சீராடும் வதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டமிழல் வெட்கணமும் அதிசிறந்த திராவிடங்கள் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு திறமுதலும் தரிசனமும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற
To infuse the spirit of oneness, I would like to call Haj Rifaya Haslin of 6B to present welcome address.
Good morning, I am Haj Rifaya Haslin from 6B. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all out there as a part of today's Children's Day celebration. The 14th of November is an important day in the lives of children, who are the pillars of nation. And as world citizens, to remind us to take care of children today for future responsible individuals. Children are similar to fragile buds of flowers that are about to bloom. I welcome our respected enthusiastic correspondents A. Sindhur Ramesh. I welcome your positive encouraging Srimati S. Sita Lakshmi. I welcome the reminded lovable headmisters Mrs. A. Anita Caroline. I welcome compartment heads, academic supervisors, teachers, parents and my dear friends on this festive occasion of Children's Day celebration. A grand welcome to all.
Good spirit, Haj Rifaya Haslin, for the grand welcome address. I would like to request our Honorable Principal Ma'am S. Sita Lakshmi to address us on this important day.
Department heads, talented teachers, supportive parents, my dear young superstars, warm greeting to you all. I feel extremely happy to connect you on the happiest occasion, that's Children's Day. It's your day. On this happy day, I miss you a lot, especially the gala program what we used to have every year on Children's Day. Dear students, every year we used to celebrate the Children's Day in a grand manner with lot of activities like no school bag day, reading activities, character counts week observance, visit to homes and orphanages, release of class magazines, etc. But this year we are able to have this program through online. Whatever may be the situation, you can observe Children's Day in a fittest manner. Even if you are at home, you can read books, you can help the poor and needy, you can develop your own abilities, observe all the character traits and be a self-disciplined student and be a champion of character. I hope you are also eagerly waiting to come back to routine life. Let's all pray earnestly that soon the pandemic period has to come to an end and we have to meet one and all in the school campus. Dear children, today my message to you is be unique. That is, you have to be a unique student. What is that you have to do to be unique? It's not so easy. Let me give few suggestions to be a unique student. Dear students, the first, have an aim for your life. Have a goal and design your own blueprint for success. Next, continuously you have to acquire knowledge. It's not just mere reading of textbooks and academic content, but you have to go an extra mile of reading lot of good books. Only then you can improve your knowledge. Third one is you have to work hard. There is no substitute for hard work. Fourth one is achieve something what you feel is very difficult. Have faith in your abilities, believe yourself, and find out which you feel very hard and try to achieve the difficult task. Dear students, don't imitate or don't copy from your friends or neighbors. You have to be unique, and according to your own abilities and strength, you have to be a unique student. Apart from that, every day, please do meditation and prayer. Reserve some definite time for doing prayer and meditation. These are all very powerful tools to improve your body and mind. So, every day see that you are spending some time for that. Dear children, apart from that, you have to focus on your academics. Now the end of second term has come, so you have to take care of your academic content and take care of your co-curricular and sport activities, and try to improve all your skills. With the help of teachers, try to improve your handwriting and your communicative skills. Only then you can be a unique student. I take this opportunity to wish you all success on this happiest day, dear students, and I know you are eagerly waiting to witness the cultural programs, and I am also eagerly waiting to view the performance of our students. I know lot of hard work and efforts taken in order to bring this cultural programs a grand success. So I thank the compartment heads, the teachers in charge, the cultural coordinator, and the students and parents for making this day a grand success. Once again, I wish you all a happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful and pearls of advice, which we will follow it in our day-to-day life. Now I would like to request our respected headmistress, Mrs. Anita Caroline, to inspire us.
Hello, my dear students. Warm greetings to everyone. I thank God Almighty for the opportunity given. I wish each and every one of you a very happy Children's Day. Hope you know why we are celebrating Children's Day. Yes, Nehru's birth anniversary is celebrated as Children's Day in the country as a tribute to his contribution towards building the nation. He was fondly called Chacha Nehru and Chacha Ji for his love for kids. But after Nehru's death in 1964, it was unanimously decided to celebrate his birthday as Children's Day. Dear students, you are precious and blessed in God's sight. On this special day, you should take some message with you. I have seen a video in which a person was interviewing a millionaire. Do you know who is millionaire? Yes, a rich person. And he is a very famous personality. So many questions were asked to him. At last, the final question was, "Sir, which one gives real happiness in your life?" The millionaire said, "I earned such a lot of money. I thought in life that will give happiness, but I was not happy." Then the millionaire continued, "Once a person came and asked money to help the physically disabled children. I was hesitant and gave some amount at last. After a few days, the person compelled me to come to the home for physically disabled children. I said, I don't have time and I am very busy." And with much hesitation, he went to the home, it seems. He said, when I entered, the children in the home clapped and thanked me. I was nervous. When I was about to move, one of the girls held my leg tightly and I just bent down and asked, "Do you need anything more?" The child said, "No, sir. I just want to see your face once more. Only that when we meet in heaven, I can say thank you once again." The millionaire was speechless and felt very happy for the love and affection shown. And he said, the real happiness lies when we help the poor and needy. That's true, my dear students. You all will be in celebration mood. I just want to say something. Just you think for a minute. So many children of your age in orphanages, without parents, without money, without house. Really, God blessed you all with good parents, good house, good school. You should thank God for that and must help the poor and the needy. You can visit orphanages, home for children, or old age home with your parents, and you can distribute dresses or food or sweets. This is the Children's Day message for you, dear students. Help the poor and the needy. Surely God will help you and your family. Thank you, dear students. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your generous and motivational words. Some people learn to dance and others are born to dance by Paulina Jennifer. Wonderful performance, Paulina. Grandparents are the angels living with us As blessing of God, let us meet the grand angels.
ஒரு குடம் தண்ணி ஊத்தி ஒரு பூ பூத்தது, ரெண்டு குடம் தண்ணி ஊத்தி ரெண்டு பூ பூத்தது.
ரெண்டு பேரும் பூ குடம் தண்ணின்னு பாடிட்டு இருக்கீங்க.
எண்களெல்லாம் மறக்காம இருக்கிறதுக்காக வேண்டி எங்களுக்கு சொல்லிக் கொடுத்த பாட்டு அந்த நாட்கள்ல.
வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் கண் விழித்து, முகநூலில் முகம் பதித்து, ட்விட்டரில் கை குலுக்கி, தலை குனிந்தே வாழும் மானிடா, நீ தலை நிமிர்வது எப்போது? எப்படி இருக்கு தாத்தா என் கவிதை?
கவிதை அருமையா இருக்குது. ஆனா அந்த காலத்துல பாரதியார் சொன்னாரு தலை நிமிர்ந்து வாழுன்னு சொல்லி. இப்ப நீங்க வாழ்றது எப்படின்னா செல்ல பார்த்துக்கிட்டு தலை குனிஞ்சே வாழ்றீங்க.
அது சரி விடுங்க. காலையில சாப்பிட்டியா?
சாப்பிட்டேனே.
என்ன சாப்பிட்ட?
நூடுல்ஸ் சாப்பிட்டேன். சாயந்தரம் ஸ்நாக்ஸுக்கு மசாலா பூரி வச்சிருக்கேன்.
நீங்க சாப்பிடுறதெல்லாம் கெமிக்கல் நிறைந்ததுன்னு எல்லாரும் சொல்றாங்க. நீங்க அததான் விரும்பி சாப்பிடுறீங்க. காலையில இட்லி தோசை சாப்பிடலாம், சாயங்காலம் பயிர் வகையே சாப்பிடலாம். நாங்க அதெல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டுதான் ஹெல்த்தியா இருக்கிறோம்.
I feel so tired. நான் பவண்டா குடிக்க போறேன்.
அது என்ன பிளாஸ்டிக் டம்ளர் மாதிரி இருக்க?
ஆமா பாட்டி, இது பிளாஸ்டிக் டம்ளர் தான். யூஸ் அண்ட் த்ரோ. ஒன் டைம் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு தூக்கி போட்டுடலாம்.
அது கெமிக்கல் நிறைந்ததுன்னு எல்லாரும் சொல்றாங்க. ஆனா நீங்க அதெல்லாம் பயன்படுத்துறீங்க. அது சுற்றுப்புறத்தை பாதிக்குமே.
ஆமால, பாதிக்குல.
என்ன தம்பி பண்ணுறீங்க?
கேம் விளையாடுறேன் தாத்தா.
என்ன கேம்?
இதுதான் ஃப்ரீ ஃபயர். ஆப்போசிட்ல ஒரு டீம், நாங்க ஒரு டீம். ஷூட் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்போம். யார் கடைசி வரைக்கும் ஷூட் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்காங்களோ அவங்க தான் வின்னர்.
இது பகை உண்டாகிற விளையாட்டு மாதிரி தெரியுதே.
அப்ப இந்த கொரோனா டைம்ல வீட்டுக்குள்ள உட்காந்து எப்படிதான் தாத்தா விளையாடுறது?
நான் சொல்றத கேளு. இது பேர் பல்லாங்குழி. முத்துக்கள் போட்டு விளையாடுற விளையாட்டு. எல்லாருக்கும் பகிர்ந்து கொடுக்கும், கற்றுத்தந்த விளையாட்டு.
வேற என்ன விளையாட்டுலாம் வீட்டுக்குள்ள உட்காந்து விளையாடுனீங்க பாட்டி?
சொட்டாங்கல்லு, தாயம், இந்த மாதிரி விளையாட்டுகள்லாம் நாங்க நிறைய விளையாண்டோம்.
வெளியே போய் விளையாடவே இல்லையா பாட்டி?
விளையாண்டுருக்கோம்ப்பா. பொண்ணுங்களெல்லாம் நொண்டி விளையாடுவாங்க, பையங்களெல்லாம் சடுகுடு விளையாடுவாங்க.
சடுகுடுனா?
நீங்க இப்ப விளையாடுறீங்களே கபடி என்று சொல்றது, அதுதான் அந்த காலத்துல சடுகுடு.
நாங்க எக்ஸசைஸ் சென்டர்ல போய் பண்றத நீங்க விளையாட்டாவே இந்த காலத்துல விளையாண்டீங்களா தாத்தா? இனிமே நீங்க சாப்பிட்டதெல்லாம் நானும் சாப்பிட்டு, நீங்க விளையாண்டதெல்லாம் நானும் விளையாண்டு, நானும் ஹெல்த்தியா இருக்க போறேன். என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கெல்லாம் சொல்ல போறேன்.
ஓகே, ஃபைன்.
பை.
Big thank you to the grandparents for the valuable inputs. Adversity is the path of truth. Here is our budding scientist Lokesh Kalyan.
Welcome. I am S. Lokesh Kalyan, SBOA Metric High Secondary School, studying in 6th year. Robot making.
is full of miracles. One part of it is Secret Language of Birds by Hasini of 6B.
Secret language of birds. One thing that we can know from birds is if we can listen to them carefully, we would know the meteorological conditions or the weather patterns wherever. Many studies have observed this. On the banks of Ganga and also Narmada, which nest very close to the water, by looking at where they built nest at what height, people know whether this year is going to be flood or not. The birds build their nest at least 4 months before monsoons. Birds build their nest very lower if the rains are not going to be heavy or flood-like situation. But if it is going to be flood, then they build it higher. This is one of the traditional methods used by our ancestors to study weather patterns without scientific device. Already there are signs in nature which a bird is able to see. There are many other aspects of birds like migration done by them. Being Avines very distinctively observe the weather patterns that the reason they are migrating across the continents. Thank you.
Awesome, Hasini. Thanks to nature and its creation. No one is born a great cook. One learns by doing. Presenting Fireless Cooking.
Hello everyone, I am Ria. I am studying 6th standard A section.
Tender hands taken the responsibility to nurture the nature. M. Mihirna, the representative of Children's Environmental Organization.
In school, even in kindergarten, it teaches how to behave in the world. It teaches not to fight with others. It teaches not to be greedy. Then why do you go out and do the things you teach us not to do? Do not forget we are attending these conferences. For whom we are doing this for? We are your own children. You are deciding what kind of world we are growing up in. Parents will be comforting their children by saying, everything is gonna be okay. We're doing the best we can. But I think you can't say that to us anymore. Are we even in the list of priorities? Mom always says, you're what you do what you say. Well, what you do makes me cry at night. You grown up say you love us, but I challenge you. Please make your actions reflect your words. Thank you.
Representative of Children's Environmental Organization. An activity to be completed within a minute. Hereby R. Kaushik.
I am R. Kaushik from 6th B. I am going to do paper cup pyramid in just a minute.
Well done, Kaushik, for the Zoom act.
Hi, I am Subhash Chandran from 6th B. I am going to show how to make wall hanger with waste things. What things I am used are old paper, old bangles and woolen threads. This is made from old papers and covered with woolen thread. This is an old bangle. I am covered with woolen threads. Now I am going to paste.
is an artist. Art speaks more than words. So here are the T. Sarayu and R. Rudra from 6B. It's beautiful piece of work by Saraya and Rudra. Hope is a renewable option. If you run out of it, at the end of the day, you get to start over in the morning, presenting the song Coco Corona.
கொரோனா இப்ப எங்களை தாக்க வரானா கொரோனா இப்ப எங்களை தாக்க வரானா நாங்க கைய கூப்பிதான் வணக்கம் சொல்லுவோம் கைய குலுக்கவே மாட்டோங்க மாஸ்க் மாட்டிதான் மாசு காட்டுவோம் இருமல் தும்மலே நோனோங்க சோப்பு போட்டுதான் கைய கழுவுவோம் ரொம்ப சுத்தமா இருப்போங்க 2 மீட்டர் இடைவெளி விட்டு எங்க நட்பத்தான் வளர்ப்போங்க வீட்டுக்குள்ளேயே சேஃபா இருந்து எங்க வீட்டையும் காப்போங்க நம்ம நாட்டையும் காப்போங்க ஜாதி மதம் எல்லாம் ஒன்னா சேர்ந்து மனிதநேயத்தை வளர்ப்போங்க கொரோனா நோயத்தை ஒழிப்போங்க கொரோனா இப்ப எங்களை தாக்க வரானா கொரோனா இப்ப எங்களை தாக்க வரானா.
Basic things strictly to be followed to keep the corona at a distance.
Friends, good morning everybody. I am Abhishek Aranraj of 6th B, studying in his Biomatriculation Higher Secondary School, Madurai. This is my friend Tony. I said, don't shout, Tony. Why you come here? Wait, Tony, wait. I will tell you. I come here to review a book which inspired me in this lockdown.
Wow! Can you tell me the importance of reading books? I said,
Sure, Tony. Reading is important because it develops your mind and gives you excessive knowledge and lessons of life. It helps you understand the world. It keeps your mind active. You get an amazing information. The book Need My Life, an illustrated autobiography by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This book was not written to only tell his story. He wants every young reader to think. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has been one of the most iconic figures of independent India, full of anecdotes that demonstrate the importance of hard work, commitment, courage, and innovative thinking. Beauty illustrated and simply written. His life will inspire readers of all ages. So friends, the habit of reading is one of the best qualities that a person can possess. We must all read on a daily basis for at least 30 minutes to enjoy the sweet fruits reading. Okay, Tony, say bye to all. Bye. Ta-ta. See you. Thank you all.
Discovery of Nagamalai Pudukottai by T. Santosh.
Hello, I am TV Santosh, 6th B. Discovery of Nagamalai. Nagamalai, Naga, snake, Malai is a suburb of Madurai, situated about 10 km west from Madurai city, Tamil Nadu, India, along the Madurai-Theni highway. Madurai is surrounded by 8 hillocks that once served to guard the city from invading force for 3 hills, 3 small but permanent hills, Yanemalai, Pasumalai and Nagamalai. Elephants, cow and snake hill respectively have several interesting legends associated with them. Samanar Hills, which is opposite to Nagamalai, is of historical importance. Samanars, Tamil giant, were said to have stayed on the hill, fearing from the rulers from Madurai. Many stone statues and other artifacts are present in Nagamalai. Nagamalai is also known for its snake biodiversity and a government proposal in the works for creating an ecotourism snake park in the area. Nagamalai is a notable educational hub in the outer skirts of Madurai city. The Madurai Kamarajar University is located in the closer from city to the Nagamalai. It accommodates a number of other educational institutions. One of the best schools in Madurai is RSBOA Metric Higher Secondary School, Madurai 19. Thank you.
It makes us proud that we are part of this history. A conversation brings lots of good things and positives. So, here my friends likes and Hari Krishnan meeting and a talk.
Hi Lokesh.
Hey Krishna, how are you? I'm fine. What about you?
I'm great. It's long. I haven't seen you.
Quietly busy.
Busy in what?
Watching T20 cricket match.
Between which teams?
Bangladesh, Sri Lanka.
Wonderful teams.
Wonderful indeed.
Good at bowling.
Great in fielding.
Even batting.
Yes, by defeating the hot favorite team.
Bangladesh will balance the game.
Shakib, the man of the match.
Bangladesh has great cricket future.
You're right.
I must be off now. Thank you and see you again. Bye Lokesh.
Bye.
A good idea of sharing is brings out the best from within. Great friends! Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. It turns what we have into enough and more. Time for Vote of Thanks by G. Vijay Balaji, 6A.
It's a blissful day for you and me. On this joyous occasion, I deem it a pleasure to propose vote of thanks. First of all, I submit my sincere thanks to Almighty God for blessing us with this most amazing day, for the leaping greenly spirits of trees and a blue true dream of sky, and for everything which is natural, which is infinite, which is yes. I present my bouquet thanks to our honorable correspondent and our beloved Madam Principal for giving us this great opportunity to explore our hidden talents and exhibit them. I would like to thank our headmistress Mrs. Anita Caroline for her golden opportunity and guidance. I would like to thank our Culture Secretary Mrs. K. Rajeshwari for her instant guidance and complete support. I extend my genuine gratitude to all the student participants who have made this day purposeful and memorable one. I owe my gratitude to all the parents for their encouragement, support in making this function splendid and superb. Also, I have offered my special thanks to our technical team who helped us in a recording beautifully. I thank all our students and teachers who have made this function grand by watching online. Finally, a big thanks one and all. Thank you.
Time for the national anthem by our keyboard player Samyukta of 6A.